Hi, hello. What's up? How you doing? Welcome to my channel in today's video. Today I'll be doing a massive makeup declutter, and I will not lie, I did this yesterday and I slept on it and I was like, you did not go hard enough. So I will insert some of the footage from yesterday's because I did get rid of a lot. So all of it is in this tray right here. So I got rid of, honestly, a lot of things, but it wasn't enough. I did not go minimalist enough. There needs to be a good balance for me between minimalism and still allowing myself to be creative, but I think I can definitely get rid of some more stuff, because this is a 4-drawer thing. There's 3 drawers still full of makeup and it's not okay. So we're gonna dive into this. While we're here, let's talk about Persona Nutrition. I got this yesterday and I actually was running out of vitamins, so what a perfect time to open a little box with you, right? If you've never heard of Persona, have you been living under a rock? Just kidding. I've been using them for about 2-3 years at this point, and I'm obsessed with them. Basically, they're a personalized vitamin subscription box. You go online, you take a quiz, and the vitamins are selected for you based on your quiz, which kind of asks you about your lifestyle, your dietary needs, restrictions, health problems, how you feel, and all of that kind of stuff. So it's completely tailored to you. It comes in a little box like this. Your vitamins come in a little roll like this. Oh my God. My vitamins are split into morning and night, so if you take that many, yours will be as well. If you don't take that much, you will probably just get 1 pack. It's nice, they're personalized, has your name on it, it's labeled very clearly. These little munchkins here are actually biodegradable, so you can toss them into your compost and they will completely deteriorate over time, which is really great. I love that I can use vitamins, not buy them in plastic, and be able to get rid of the little packets that it comes in, because when you go to the store and you buy something in the vitamin aisle, most of it you can't recycle. It'll just be a plastic that your plastic recycling just won't take. So that's really nice. So you get a little booklet in here that kind of tells you all about what vitamins you are taking. So in the morning, I take cordyceps, a multivitamin, green tea extract, iron with vitamin C and omega-3. And then at nighttime, I'm taking ashwagandha, borage with saffron, CBD hemp extract, daily probiotic, and peppermint. All of these are kind of based around distressing, balancing my hormones, and making sure that I have enough energy. I've seen such a huge impact in my life from taking these vitamins. And the greatest thing is that you get 50% off your first order. So check the description box for a link to get yours for 50% off. So I hope that the sound isn't awfully different than what it was before, because I switched to a different camera. And here's the train. Okay, so basically I used this today. Clearly I use this beauty blender all of the time, so I'm going to keep it. New blush, keeping it. I must use these. Now that I have that other blush, I don't think I will actually end up using this, so I need to get rid of it. I do like this highlighter, which is the Amrezy highlighter, so I will keep that. I do love this, and I do use it fairly often. Great primer, I need it. I don't use puffs anymore, so I don't even know why I have them. I'm gonna get rid of them. I do like the Pixie primer, but it's not one that I pick up all of the time. I don't really use these as often as I would like to, which is the Hydra Booster and the Pore Minimizer, so I'm gonna pass these on to somebody else. And I'm gonna keep the redness corrector because that's different. And I do like this primer sometimes for when I have some texture, so I will keep that as well. So I guess I'm keeping 3 primers to use up. This foundation I need to use up. I'm keeping it. It's the only setting spray I have. I am dedicated to using this foundation up. And this I just got. These 3 concealers I use all the time. I will be using these 2 up, and this will remain as my final one. Keeping this for sure. Putting my unused things in here. Putting the things that I need to use up. I'm gonna put my face brushes in here, but I need to downgrade this for sure. I don't use this Anastasia one anymore. I only use this. I like this big fluffy brush. I'm gonna keep this MAC brush. Why do I have so many angled brushes? Do I need this many? No. So I've got I feel like I like the Sephora Pro one the most. It's a good foundation brush. I don't really like Luxie. Best contour brush ever. Good highlighter. I do like this sometimes. It's a good buffer brush. No. I'll keep this. This is pretty good like blush brush. It's a good highlighter brush as well. I do use this. And then these two are pretty nice little blending brushes for the face, so I will keep these. But I will also put my brushes in here. I think I'm gonna do something like this instead. Much better. I do like this a lot more. Okay, next drawer. All right, this is some palettes. I'm gonna keep these palettes, which is the Jaclyn Hill for Fun Looks. I'm gonna keep this because this is all of my loose ones that I do use pretty often. I'm gonna keep my Friendcation palette, my Natasha Denona, and my Soft Glam. I will keep all of these brushes because I hate washing like eye makeup brushes. I want to do these projects, so I'm going to keep that. Need to use all these mascaras. I can't really get rid of them because I've used them and I do like all of them besides this one. I think I'm going to get rid of this one. I like these three though, so I'm going to keep that. I'm never really going to do a black eye look, so I'll get rid of that. This has got some green in it. I don't think I'll ever really use that. These are nice little pens. Do I need 2 glues? No. I think I'm going to use the Too Faced glitter. There's more in here, so I'm going to keep that. These are good. Yeah, I'm going to keep all of these. And since this is kind of the eye drawer, I'm going to put my 2 reusable lashes in here and the things that come with that. And then a little color switch. That's, I think, pretty important. And I will keep this replacement because I will use this for an eyeliner once mine runs out. And I honestly do like eye glitters for when I do fun looks, so I'm popping these in here as well. They can all be laid down. So I'm pretty sure this drawer is kind of full and I can put it back up. It's kind of like my lipstick drawer, but I think what I'm gonna do is put what fits in here, like this, and put my little lipsticks like that. But do I need these 3 colors? They're all literally so similar. I need to make a bigger point to use them. If I don't use them in the next couple of months, I will get rid of them. You bitch. Keeping like 1 fun color, I don't think that's that bad. And what I'm gonna do with all of my eyebrow stuff, I have 2 things here. What color are you? Chocolate and auburn. Completely unopened. Put all my eyebrow stuff in this thing. And these are like the brushes that I use in a little packing thing. So this is literally all of the makeup that I'm getting rid of. Some of this is going to be going to my friends, and some are just gonna get sorted out and they're gonna go to the trash, unfortunately, because they're just not usable. They're just too old, so I think this is pretty good. So this is pretty much what I've left of my makeup. A lot of this I will be using up and getting rid of as I use it, and whatever I will not be using in the next 3 months, I will be getting rid of. And this drawer is like pretty empty. So it's 2.5 instead of 4, which I think is pretty darn good if you ask me. So we have reached the final destination for today. I am down from 4 drawers to 2.5. Which I think is pretty darn good. Much better than it was yesterday, honestly. I'm going to be working through a lot of this, so by the time that I'm done living here, I think I'll be down to 2 drawers, honestly, if I pack it nicely and compactly. And I know that a lot of this is not going to be like my travel with makeup, but I don't want to strip away creativity from myself, you know what I mean? Like, if I feel some inspiration coming, I want to be able to have some products to do that with. Granted, this isn't like a massive collection anyway, so I can't go super crazy, but I don't want to find myself not being as creative sometimes as I could be because I don't have the products and I'm uninspired. So I'm walking a very fine line between getting rid of everything and just having neutral things when I know that that's just not possible for me. So for the things that I want to do and being into makeup, I think this is a pretty solid clean out for this time. It's definitely not super minimalistic, but I think this is the best that I can do for now. So thank you so much for watching and joining me as I declutter and talk about stuff, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.